Zombie apocalypse.
Welcome to our traveling wave, where we explore the beautiful city of Strasbourg. Strasbourg Mountain, a name that echoes with adventure, a place where legends are born. Towering above the landscape, it beckons explorers. Its slopes hold secrets, just waiting to be discovered. Are you ready to answer the call of the wild? Strasbourg Mountain is a test, a challenge, but the rewards are immense. Breathtaking views, fresh air, and a sense of accomplishment awaits those who dare. This is not for the faint of heart. This is for the brave, the curious, the adventurous souls. This is for those who seek something more. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. Let's start our journey. Strasbourg Mountain has stood for millennia, a silent witness to history. Ancient civilizations roamed these slopes. Their spirits linger, whispering tales of the past. From Native American tribes to early settlers, the mountain has seen it all. Each footstep, each story, woven into its very fabric. To climb Strasbourg is to walk through time. The mountain has been a source of life, a place of refuge. Forests provided shelter, and its rivers offered sustenance. Today, it stands as a reminder of our connection to the natural world. Every mountain has its secrets. Strasbourg is no different. Legends abound, passed down through generations, tales of mythical creatures and hidden treasures. Some say a giant bear roams the woods, protector of the mountain spirit. Others whisper of a lost mine, filled with gold and precious gems. These stories add to the allure, fueling our imaginations. Are they true? Perhaps. Or perhaps they are simply reminders of the power of nature, the mystery that surrounds us. Either way, they add to the magic of Strasbourg. Ready to experience Strasbourg for yourself? Lace up your boots and hit the trails. The mountain offers a variety of paths for all skill levels. From leisurely strolls to challenging climbs, there's something for everyone. Experienced hikers can tackle the summit trail. Newcomers can enjoy gentler slopes and scenic overlooks. No matter your pace, be prepared. Pack plenty of water, snacks, and layers of clothing. The weather in the mountains can change quickly. Breathtaking vistas. Scenic views from Strasbourg. Strasbourg, a city known for its rich history and stunning architecture, also offers some of the most breathtaking natural vistas in the region. Nestled in the heart of Alsace, the mountains surrounding Strasbourg provide a perfect escape for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Reaching the summit of Strasbourg is a reward in itself. The journey to the top is filled with scenic trails, lush forests, and the occasional glimpse of wildlife. As you ascend, the air becomes crisper, and the sounds of the city fade away, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant call of birds. The views are simply breathtaking. From the summit, you are greeted with a panoramic view that stretches as far as the eye can see. Miles of rolling hills stretch out before you, creating a sense of endless possibility. A sea of green fading into the blue horizon. On a clear day, you can see for miles. Nearby towns appear as tiny dots on the landscape. The world seems to shrink, putting your own life into perspective. Strasbourg's natural bounty: Flora, fauna, and fresh air. Strasbourg Mountain is a sanctuary for nature lovers, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Here, you can immerse yourself in the tranquility of the great outdoors. Strasbourg Mountain is more than just a pretty view. It's a place where the natural world thrives in harmony. It's a thriving ecosystem, teeming with life. The forest is alive with the sounds of rustling leaves, chirping birds, and the occasional movement of a small animal in the underbrush. As you hike, keep an eye out for the local wildlife. Deer dart through the underbrush. Birds sing in the trees. If you're lucky, you might even spot a hawk soaring overhead. Respect their space and observe from a distance. The mountain is also home to a diverse array of plant life. Wildflowers dot the meadows in spring. Towering trees provide shade on hot summer days. Take the time to appreciate the beauty all around you. Plan your adventure. Tips for exploring Strasbourg. Strasbourg is a city rich in history culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're an avid hiker, a history buff, or someone who loves to explore new places, Strasbourg has something for everyone. Planning a trip to Strasbourg Mountain? Here are a few tips to make your journey a success. Best time to visit? Spring and fall offer pleasant temperatures and vibrant colors. What to pack? Sturdy hiking boots, layers, water, snacks, a map, and a compass. Respect the environment. Stay on marked trails and leave no trace. Check the weather forecast before you go. Let someone know your plans and estimated return time. And most importantly, have fun. Embrace the wild. Strasbourg's call to adventure. Strasbourg Mountain is a call to adventure. A chance to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, to reconnect with nature and challenge yourself. It's a reminder that there's still wildness left in the world, a wildness that lives within each of us. So, answer the call. Embrace the unknown. Push your limits. Discover your strength. Return from your journey refreshed, renewed, and inspired. Your Strasbourg story awaits. A final invitation. What will your Strasbourg mountain story be? Will you conquer the summit? Discover hidden waterfalls? Or simply lose yourself in the beauty of nature? The mountain awaits. Your adventure begins now. Go explore, go discover, go wild. This concludes our tour in Strasbourg. I hope you enjoy this trip and find helpful tips for your next adventure. Strasbourg is a city full of beauty, art, and history, and is definitely worth a visit. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more travel content. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. This is Traveling Wave. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.